Hello guys, it's me, Russian Inventor, and today I'm gonna be unboxing this EKEN H9 budget action camera which I bought on AliExpress, and I will link it below so we can go and check it out. As always, here are top 5 original comments I'm putting in the video. Okay guys, now let's unbox this camera.
This is a homage beat.
Here's how it comes. The first thing I noticed, the package looks exactly the same as the GoPro's package. Look, here's EKEN H9 package and here's a GoPro package. It says it got Wi-Fi in it. It is waterproof. It has already waterproof case on it. Okay, let's continue unboxing it. And that's basically all it delivers with. So one thing I found good about this action camera is that it comes with a lot of different mounts, which is really good because it's much easier to use it. You can just straight turn it on from the box and start straight using it. That's really good. Also, this camera comes in the aqua box, which claims to be water resist down to 30 meters, and we're gonna test it out in my pool. So yeah, let's try to turn it on. Look at that. That looks really cool. Let's turn it on. I think it turns on by this button here. I heard some sound. Oh, it says no SD card. I got a SD card. Let's unbox it. Okay, now it doesn't say it doesn't have SD card. So let's try to record something. How do you record? Oh, I don't know how to record. So I think it's this thing. Yeah, it's recording. Okay guys, it's recording. I don't know what the image quality is gonna be, but I think it's pretty cool. Look. Here's the camera I'm shooting at. Okay, now let's go outside to test it more better. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna test out this aqua box. So let's put it on the camera. I'm ready. Okay guys, ready? Is it still recording? Yes, it's recording. Прыгай хорошо. So that's basically how this camera shoots. Should you buy this camera? If you have exactly $40 to spend and you're okay with the quality which was shown, then you should totally buy it. But if you have more money, for example $100, then buy a better camera. It's called Unreal. It's not an advertisement. I'm just saying. I saw a lot of videos with it, and it's much better. So will I keep this camera? I will totally keep it because I'm okay with the quality it shoots, and yeah, and I will probably make some vlogs with it. So subscribe to don't miss that. Like and comment to get my next video, and I will see you next time. Bye.